Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Know Your Gear Season 3, Episode 3. I'm Ken, and today, we're featuring something that keeps your operations running smoothly, the Shockman A3000 Fuel Tanker. Sa totoo lang, kahit gaano pa kalakas ang equipment mo, kung walang fuel, hinto lahat. That's where this tanker comes in. Built with a 24,000 liter capacity, designed for efficient fuel transport. Perfect for construction sites, logistics operations, or remote projects where steady fuel supply is critical. What makes it reliable? High capacity tank, fewer trips, more productivity, durable build made for tough working conditions, efficient fuel delivery system helps minimize downtime on site, road-ready performance, stable and dependable even on long hauls. Hindi lang siya pang transport, pang tuloy-tuloy na trabaho talaga. Imagine this, tuloy ang operasyon, walang delay, walang hintayin ng fuel delivery. That's real efficiency. Ikaw, if you're running a projects, would you rather depend on outside deliveries or have your own tanker on standby? Let us know in the comments or send us a message. Bye!